Exciting news, everybody. Our contour kitchen has finally arrived. And I think you're really going to like it. We've added some extras to it. And these are very convenient in terms of when you're working around the kitchen. So we've fitted ourselves a nice drop-down table. And the drop-down table is really nice and sturdy, easy to use. Flips out, it's got a nice stainless steel top with a bamboo board that pulls out alongside to give you a really nice big work surface to either make yourself a quick cup of tea, a sandwich on the road, or in general, just in camp, to be able to have the extra added work surface. You can, as you know, never have enough work surfaces. So this is a really nice, solid, stable side work surface that comes straight out of the kitchen, and you can access and work around your kitchen all on this little table right here. Perfect for a gas stove to mount to the likes. And then, of course, you've got all your kitchen utensils caught back in or held back into the cupboards. We're still using the elastic methods. We've tried on numerous occasions to do the foam cutout, but the foam cutouts tend to limit you in terms of space. So you're often forced to be able to only use the space where the foam is. Whereas here, you can add extra equipment, you can stick in your little bits and pieces that you want to take along in between. So you actually can utilize a lot more of your kitchen space by us operating this way. Whereas when we tried the foam, we found ourselves very limited to what we could or couldn't do. So we stuck to it by doing it like this, and it's because we feel it really does work nicely. Of course, we've also added things like frying pans now to the mix, which you always need along your way. And again, it's nice and easy, quick to pack away, and your job is done. Your table is packed up, and all your kitchen equipment is right here where you need it, or packed when you're done. So just check this out in terms of our table, which is another little added feature that you don't even really realize when you look at it. But not only do you have the stainless steel surface here, which you can work on, you've got the chopping board on the side here, which you can also work off. And above that, you can actually place your mugs and cups and the likes right up top here as well. So you've actually got 3 different surfaces around this, which is really nice. You will find that a nice added extra feature to the table itself. Right, so here we've got the 1250 cupboard, but just plain, with a mono plate fixed to the rear, and that allows you to obviously choose whether or not you want to add your own equipment to it. And you can also fit the drop-down table on this side should you wish. So it's nice, easy option, pack in your own gear. And this too is actually available in a 560 cupboard. And then people may want to choose the 560 because what you really do want to also be able to have the option is that you may want to access into the canopy itself. So with the 560 cupboard, it leaves you a nice bit of space to still get into the front here. So you may decide to keep camp chairs down this side, or an ammo box goes in there. So it's possibly also an option where you do your recovery with a mono plate, shorter cupboard, and access straight through to be able to get to your ammo boxes at the same time.